Olympics.
Medyo,
Okay.
ano,
Di naman. Okay, pero sa kabila ang pangalan naman nila, Team YOLO! Give it up for Manolo! Maris! Wilbert and Kyle! What's up, guys? Kamusta naman kayo?
good.
Okay, bakit naman YOLO ang napili
Kasi
pangalan?
kasi isa lang yung buhay mo. So dapat
Talagang
maximize mo.
Oo, maximize
Yung
mo.
Team YOLO, Team YOLO.
Good job, good job. So, hopefully yung motto nyo talagang magamit nyo for today's games. Here we go. Ready na ba kayo for game number 1? Game number 1, yes? Okay. Game number 1. Ang tawag dito, line them up. Each team will be given a set of names and words for them to arrange accordingly to the order that we are looking for. They must press the buzzer once they are finished. Once the buzzer is pressed, the other team is no longer allowed to change their order. Each correct answer is equivalent to 1 point. So meron na ba kayong representative?
Patik!
Patik! Ginawa namin din sa inyo at sa inyo naman? Okay, Maris, ikaw. So kunin nyo na yung mga boards nyo sa ilalim. Maris, dun ka sa kabilang side. Yan. Get your board. Go lang. Okay. Kapag nasabi ko na yung category, pwede nyo nang buksan yung ating black cover tapos i-arrange nyo na sa tamang order, okay?
Tulungan niyo.
Ito ang una nating category. Hinahanap natin from oldest to newest. Oldest nasa pinakataas yung ilagay. Oldest yung nasa pinakataas, newest yung nasa pinakababa. Okay? Luma, papuntang bago. Oldest to newest, Yen Constantino songs, go!
Patay!
Pwede magtulungan. Yen Constantino songs, oldest to newest. Pwede mag-coach. Sige, pwede mag-coach. Ibulong nyo para hindi marinig. Okay na? Bas na kayo. Stop. Okay, pakita. Okay. Show it to the camera. Sit down. To show my teammates. Okay, dito tayo. Kayo ang nauna nag-bus, so kayo unahin natin. Sabi mo, una, hawak kamay. Hawak kamay is correct. Ang pangalawa naman, Jeepney Love Story, that is also correct. The third one is Chinito, that is also correct. And syempre, ang huli ay tama na din. So you guys got 4 points para sa round na to. At kayo, hawak kamay, tama. So 1 point. Pangalawa, Jeepney Love Story, tama din. Chinito, tama. And ikaw, tama. So pati kayo nakakuha ng 4 points sakto. Lalagay nyo lahat in time na nag-ball sila. So good job. Pwede nyo na tanggalin yan, guys. Pwede nyo na tanggalin muna kapag nyo dito para hindi na maghalo. Yan, para hindi na kayo maguluhan for the next round.